Welcome to Chi Body channel. Today, we're going to learn 3 Qigong exercises for relaxation. First exercise is called lifting and pressing down the Qi. Second exercise is called Repulse the Monkey. And the third exercise is called cross hands and push forward. Let's get started. First Qigong exercise, lifting and pressing down the Qi. We start from standing position. Whole body straight. Breathe into your center, your abdominal area, to calm the mind and to connect your mind with your center for about a minute. Slow and deep breathing. Inhale and exhale. After about a minute, get into the ready posture. Bend your knees, bend your hip and upper body straight. Tuck your chin and relax your upper body. So start. Inhale to lift the hands and the arms up to your shoulder level. And exhale to drop your hands down. Inhale slowly to lift the hands. And exhale to press down the hands. When you inhale, as you lift your hands up, you don't use any force to create this lifting motion. What you should think about is that you have 2 strings attached to your wrists, and your arms, your hands are getting pulled up by the strings. Again, inhale, the strings are pulling your hands, your arms up, and exhale, drop the strings, and the hands falls down. Inhale, exhale. Once you finish, pull your hands together to close and back to standing position. Second Qigong exercise, Repulse the Monkey. From standing position for about a minute, then into the ready posture. From here, first lift your hands up. Inhale to bring your left palm, left arm back. And then exhale to push the left palm forward. Then inhale again to pull the right hand, right arm back. And exhale to push forward your right hand. Inhale, left hand goes back. Exhale, push your left hand forward. As you inhale, your eyes should focus on the hand that's going back. As you exhale, your eyes should focus on the hand that's going forward. Inhale, look at your palm, and exhale, continue to focus on your palm. While you're doing this, remember to maintain your posture by bending your knees slightly and lower your upper body to sit on your hip. Okay, finish. Inhale, pull your hands to your center, then back to standing position. Third Qigong exercise. Cross hands and push forward. From standing posture, getting into the ready posture. First thing you do, as you inhale, you cross your hands, wrists touching, and shift your body weight to the right side. And lift your left toes so that your left heel can turn. So your left heel turns and your body turns to the left. Then expand your hands. Shift weight forward to the left side and push your palms forward. Once you finish, lift your left toes, turn your left heel, and turn your body, cross your hands. Now shift the weight to the left. Right toes lift, body turn to the right, hands open. Shift your body weight to the right side and push forward. Lift your right toes, turn your heel, cross your hands, body weight shift to the right side, lift your left toes, turn your left heel, turn your body to the left. As you inhale, expand your hands, and exhale as you push your palms forward and shift your weight to the left side. Then shift weight, lift your toes, turn the heel, cross hands, and other foot, right foot, toes lift, turn your right heel, hands open, and press forward, shifting the body weight to the right side. Lift your toes, turn your heel, cross your hands. Once you finish, get into ready posture. Inhale to pull your hands to your center and back to standing position.